In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Connection and Sharing. Then select Printing. Click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use a different service, disable this one first. Go back, hit Add Service and install the best one for you. You can access it by going back to the same settings and tapping on it. So when I do that, as you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!